Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to set the timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar here, and right in the middle we've got this kind of rectangle icon with off. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, it is because we've got this single shooting set. Here, when we will go to the left, we've got the self timer, we've got 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me set 10 seconds delay, and after getting back you can see that this icon changed, so we can always check which timer we've got set. So now all we have to do is to simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. So as you can see, we have to wait. And basically this is how the timer works. As I said, you can set 3 seconds delay, or of course keep it turned off just by setting the option to single shooting, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without any countdown. So basically that's all. This is how to set the timer in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.